In this video, I'll show you how to center send button, which is visible on the contact form in Shopify Dawn theme. As you can see in this example, by default, send button is left aligned, so in order to center it, we have to add custom CSS rule. To make this change, first we'll log into Shopify admin account, then select online store. Now look for Dawn theme and then select customize. Once the editor loads at the very top, we can drop down, then select pages, then select contact. Then on the left under template, select contact form. Now let's expand the custom CSS section. We'll be adding the custom CSS rule right in here, but at first let me go back to my website and get the class selector for the send button. Let me right click on it and then select inspect. The class selector will be targeting this one, contact _button. Now let's go back to the editor. Let's add the following rule. Type period, contact, _button, open left and right curly braces, place the cursor in between, then press enter. On the next line, type text, dash, align, colon, center, followed by semicolon. Once you add this rule, just save the changes. Then let's go back to the contact page. Let's try refreshing it. And as you can see, the send button is now centered on desktop version of the site. Now let's take a look at mobile. Let's right click, select inspect. Let's switch to responsive design mode. Now let's pick Galaxy S20. And that's what it will look like on mobile. Alternatively, if you have contact form embedded on the other pages of your site, as in my case available on my homepage right over here, in order to center the send button, we can actually reuse the same CSS rule. For that, let's go back to the editor. Let's copy the current rule. Once again, at the very top, click on drop down. Let me switch to home page. Under template, let's select contact form. Now paste the CSS rule in the custom CSS section. And once again, save the changes. Now let me go back to my home page. Let's try refreshing it. Let's take a look. As you can see, the send button is now centered. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.